Learn how to process a turkey or a chicken at home. This one is a turkey and it was home trained. It's an exotic turkey, that's foreign turkey. So the first thing you're going to, after executing the turkey, you're going to boil water, lots of water, because this turkey is like giant size. So once you have the water boil, pour it on the chicken or the turkey, just as you have seen in previous clip. Then right here, my mom and my daughter were helping me peel the chicken, the turkey. So that's what's going on here. After removing the feathers, this is what we have. You can look at how big this turkey is. So big. Mommy and my daughter did a really good job helping me clean this up. So for your Easter turkey, this is how you should process yours at home. Yeah, so my husband just helps to carry it so they can have access to clean that hair. I mean, not the hair, the feathery part. So this is the turkey after removing all the feathers. And I'm about to start cutting this turkey. This is me now. See how heavy this turkey is. I couldn't even carry it. I needed assistance to turn it to the right position for me to start working on it. It was so heavy. Yeah, so I'm using a sharp knife. I'm just going to cut the thighs so that I can spread it apart, then open up the tummy and bring out the inside of the turkey. So just keep watching. Yeah, so you're going to slice the around the thigh, like the laps open. When you do that, use your hand. Just watch the video and enjoy it. At some point I'll stop talking so that you can just get everything on how to process your own turkey for Christmas, for Easter, for any celebration anyway. That's the bottom part, the bum that I'm removing. So if you have dogs like us, you can give it to the dogs, or if you can eat it. A lot of people don't like eating it, especially my daughter. She says where the poop comes out from, she can't eat that. So yeah, if you don't have any pets and you can't eat it, yeah, you dispose that. So I'm just removing the parts where the poop really comes out from, right? Then you open up the tummy, and then once you've opened it up, you're going to spread it apart. If you have watched this video up to this part, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Alright, turn on the notification bell so that when I drop any content, you'll be among the first to see that content, okay? So yeah, I also needed assistance to open it up. It was so big, so heavy, I couldn't do it on my own. So my husband helped me to open it, and yep, let's remove the inside. So the inside has this like intestines and all that, kidney, liver, heart. So I'm just going to pull it out because yeah, we don't eat the intestine. So enjoy the rest of the video. If I see the need to explain anything further, I will. But if I don't and you have questions, please use the comment section and I will respond to your comments. Yep.